This is a pretty cool space. You can come here and just hang out. You can bring a book, you can relax. There's a massage chair, you can get coffee and a snack. You can play chess, talk with one of the Restore facilitators. It's important that every healthcare organization offers something like this. Everyone thinks they're fine because you're fine until you're not fine. And so Restore is not just a place, but it's a connection. And I think over the last several years, we've lost a lot of connection.
Es un grupo de apoyo que a nosotros los empleados nos ayuda, porque a veces tenemos diferentes situaciones en las cuales se nos complica y no podemos resolver o no somos escuchados.
I reached out just to talk with someone personally. It was private. I also knew it was confidential. It's so important that we show up for our teams and for our patients. Frankly, there's not enough of us to go around. We get the sense that we have to be everything to everyone every day. God puts a lump in my throat to say it. Managers, we have to take care of ourselves in order to be able to take care of our teams and take care of our patients. And I often tell my team that they're my #1 priority because without them, we serve no one. And that's the whole point why we're here.
Que vengan porque aquí también hablan español, francés, inglés. Aquí es inclusivo.
And it's high time, particularly in healthcare, that we have a place to go and people that we connect with to help us begin to deal with what we go through every day. Connect with this space, connect with these remarkable people. We are so fortunate here to have this partnership and this collaboration with Restore.